So, morning guys. It is Saturday. I have to take time and talk because literally I'm one person in the house awake right now. So, but I don't want to wake up nobody. But I have a hair appointment today at 10. No, I have an hair appointment at 7:30. Welcome back or welcome to the channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Shakay. I do lifestyle vlogs. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you're notified whenever I make a video. Let me say, today's Saturday. Normally, Saturday when I wake up so early. My lips taste so early. Anyways, normally for the Saturday when I wake up so early, but I have an hair appointment, so I don't know if I had updated like the vlog because I was not vlogging for a while. So for my OGs that have been sticking and staying with me, your girl is no rasta. So I have locks. So I am going to get my retwist today because I have some events coming up in the coming week and I need my hair to be done for that. So I'm gonna get it today because I can't get it. It's like this weekend is like Labor Day weekend, so I'm gonna try to get the hair done, and I'm also gonna get my nails done because it's like a maintenance vlog. I'm gonna get my nails done. I will do like eyebrows and something there. Yeah, but why am I getting my hair so quick? Because today is Saturday. My first event will be on Wednesday. I have a workshop Wednesday, Thursday, and then I should be going somewhere on Friday to Sunday. So it's Labor Day weekend, as I said. So we have Labor Day will be acknowledged on Monday. So most people don't really do nothing, as in do them kind of work here on Monday. I did ask, but she have something else for Monday because since she was asking me to come so early today, and I said what other day because girl love her with on a Saturday. But she was saying that she have other things to do. She have something planned for the Monday, and then Tuesday I have somewhere to go, plus I'm getting my nails done when I get back from the place. So Saturday is the best day. But yeah, my hair will pull up. So this is the before. I'll see if I can video some of the you call this the during. I'll see if I can video some of the during, and then I'll definitely show you guys the after. So yeah, that is that. That's how my hair looks right now. So girl rasta. Honestly, I have kind of been enjoying it because it makes my life so much easier. So yeah. Anyways, so right now I'm up at, it's now right now it's 5:30. It's 5:30. I'm up like this because I need to wash the hair before, so I need to leave here at 7. So I need to wash my hair, dry it, bathe, ready, eat breakfast and everything, and reach at the hairdresser by 7:30. So I had to get up. So right now the water heat up because when I wash my hair with no cold water today. So I heat up the water. I don't like this long one. Oh, by the way, my hair is not this long, so it is, I call it lock, and then we put on the extension on it so I can actually have it to, you know, style and so while it grows. Right? Yeah. So yes, I'm gonna wash my ear. now I'm gonna dry the hair. I think it's almost 6:30 right now, so I'm gonna dry my hair. I need to go get something to eat before 7. Now at my hair appointments. This again is the before. May I sweat? And then we look at the after. Okay guys, we are back. We're done. So heading home now. I'm tired. I really want to sleep. But yeah, hair is done. Alright guys, I am back home. So yeah, hair is done. See? Yes, yes. Neat again. I'm gonna look homeless again. Yeah. Anyways, right now I'm gonna actually eat some food because I only ate the cornflakes and I'm hungry already, so I'm gonna eat some food. But I'll catch you guys when I'm doing the other part of my maintenance. So yes guys, it's the other part of my maintenance vlog as you. So yes, the other part of the maintenance vlog. So today is Monday. It's Labor Day basically. Monday. Today how much? 25th? 26th? I don't remember. One day. Anyways. You also be on the 25th of May. So remember I did my hair on Saturday. Today on Monday. So yeah. Today we are doing my toes. So I'm doing my toes. So I'm soaking my feet and then I'm going to scrub them. Give myself a foot slow. And then I'm going to also paint them. So I'm going to paint them white. So I have my things here. I have my base coat. So you have to put on the base coat first, then the white, and then the top coat, and then this is the cuticle oil. I have my things with what do you call it? File it down, for cut, for clean, for scrub the foot, for scrub the toe, for wipe, and all of these things. And we also have the Murphy. So yeah, now we have a sister joining the maintenance vlog, you know? Yeah. Water and we call it something there? Baking soda. So yeah.
Daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how.
Okay, I already pretending I was gonna. Girl, I'm vlogging. Go away. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm continuing my maintenance vlog. So today is Tuesday. I'm supposed to get my nails done. I'm looking at this bullshit. I'm kidding. Anyways, I have my nails to go do right now. So I'm gonna go. Oh, the ear has catched me, people. I'm gonna do my nails. What? Oh, lovely. Alright, so I'm gonna do my nails and I'll let you guys see it afterwards. So this is the before. I'll let you guys see the after. I'll also post like an inspo pic. Yeah. when me I showing the nail, me showing the inspo pic. Alright guys, so I'm heading to do my nails right now. I'm tired, but guys, honestly, I haven't done my nails in like a hot minute, so you know, the girl kind of excited. I'm kind of excited, and I have an inspo pic that somebody chose for me, so yeah. So yeah, let's go get that done.
I feel like having some church up in here. Come on, chat. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. Jesus, your love is it's so amazing. It gets me high up to the sky. Hallelujah. And when I think about your goodness, it makes me wanna slow.
Alright guys, I'm back home. I was hot, so I'm kind of overwhelmed most of the clothes, but I think I did take a picture to show you guys. I think I was taking a video as well, but if it will show, these are the nails. Yeah, so these are my nails, and I did say I was gonna like put like a, I call it inspo pic. So yeah, that's the inspo pic. But right now, the last part of my maintenance, it's going to be my eyebrows. Yeah, so I'm gonna shave my eyebrow. I will not be doing my lashes because based on me actually I do this for, I think I'm literally doing this to go to like hotel if we still go. So if I actually do go, then going into pool with what you call that, why is so long, going into pool with lashes that make no sense to me. So this is very long, so it don't make no sense me put on lashes. That's the whole thing that I'm trying to explain. But yeah, hair done, nails done, now to do the eyebrows, and then I'm done.
Put your hands together. Put your hands together. I need somebody to help me come and turn my life around. Hallelujah. Come on and say it with me, GP. I can't explain it. Can't obtain it. I can't obtain it. Jesus, your love is so, hallelujah. It's so amazing. What does it do, y'all? It gets me high. Where to? Up to the sky. Oh, when I think of this goodness, I'm gonna tell you what you want to do. Oh, yeah. Put them together. Makes me clap my hands. Makes me wanna dance. Put your hands together. Come on. Put your hands together.
Alright guys, so updates. I have been packing. Oh yes, I broke my nail. I wasn't even gonna show you guys. I brought the, what do you call this, the bow from my nail. May I try glue it on? But I don't know if they're gonna stay, but yeah, let's not talk about that. Anyways, over here, so I put all my clothes over this side, or all the clothes, and then like the underwear kind of stuff. So panty, the bra, the bandos, the tights, all of those are gonna go right here. Yeah, that's the clothes for me to wear. I think, which one of them did I choose again? I red or the black? I think I red suit.
Well, I don't.
I remember. What's one of them? I think the black is the extra. Yeah, the black and the little something I think are extra clothes. I don't remember where it go, but yeah, that's that. And then on this side, I'm gonna put like my, why are you outside? On this side, I have my bath suit them to put, I have my shoes, those things right there. So like the bathroom bag and stuff. We got there, so I'm on my one. We got here, so yeah. And then I have like I like a little knapsack or something. I don't know, I'll carry it. That for pack. But yeah, that's that. So that's the updates, guys. That's the update.
I seen another day, seen another breath, and I